Hey there, welcome. We're going to answer common questions that we get here. So let's move on to question number one. So, what do branded event toolkits have to do with show up rates? Well, when you get a box in the mail, they have a 100% open rate and no junk folder. All those email reminders you send, most of them don't get read. And people are going to be excited and inspired to share on social media, doing marketing for you, and they're going to show up engaged and ready to have a great time and be a lot more receptive to your message. I'll be sharing some more tips on how to do that even better. Tune in for our next video.